So on the back it says, fill in the tables below with values that represent each of the given rules. So it's looking like we have two tables and the format has changed. This time they have given us a rule, but they have given us empty places. So we're going to have to use those additive and multiplicative relationships to help us fill in the missing pieces. So let's get started. When I look at this rule, this table first, I can see that whatever my y value is, I'm going to take my x value and I'm going to subtract 2 2/10 from that. That means that if I'm at x, I'll subtract to get y. But if I'm at y, I'm going to need to do the opposite action to get the x value. So let's get started and see how that works. If I'm at 4.2 and I want to get my y value, I'm going to subtract 2.2. And when I subtract, I start at the lowest place value, which is 2 minus 2, to get 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And I drop my decimal. So this information is 2.0. To go back and get my x value, I'm actually going to do the inverse operation of subtract, which means I'm going to need to add. So on this side, I'm going to start with 6.9. I'm going to be adding 2 2/10. 2 and 9 will give me 11, so I carry that number to the next place value. And 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 more gives me 9. And I'm going to drop that decimal into place. So this value, this x value, is 9 1/10. What I would like you to do is pause the video and see if you can solve for the y value here by subtracting, and solve for your x value here by adding. Go ahead and solve that in these places, then unpause the video to see if our answers are matching. .12, and we subtract 2.2, so I have to make sure that I line up my decimals so that I can subtract carefully, regrouping when needed, and I get 5.92. To get my x value, I'm going to take my number 10 and I'm going to add my 2.2. And when I do that, I will get 12.2. 12.2 is the information. If for some reason your information doesn't match mine, please correct your paper at this time.